From a driver that got instant karma and another driver that simply couldn't wait, to a crazy head-on crash that anyone could see coming, here are some crashes and close calls caught on Dashcam. This truck driver didn't want to miss his exit and caused a big accident.
Oh my God, that just flipped this truck right in front of me.
Ну что, перестроился в бочину.
This driver cuts off another car and gets instant karma.
Yeah, where are you going, huh, Fat? Oh, beauty!
Manual recording on.
Oh my God. Just wait, Bubba. Wait. I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day.
Remember, folks, always look ahead when you're driving. This white truck driver thinks he owns the entire road.
Hurry up, because they're not stopping!
Call the cops, please.
Sometimes you just have to accept some drivers can't drive at all and let go.
Are you kidding me?
This guy gets instant karma after overtaking a cop car.
Не, ну это вообще прикол.
Лада седан! Баклажан! Лада седан!
This impatient driver ends up causing an unnecessary accident.
Whoa! Two cells and they make a copy of each other. So for sperm and egg, rather than making copies, you just get half of your set. And it's just at random.
This driver gets a really close call. This driver enters the wrong way and crashes his car. All this driver needed to do was to respect the stop sign.
You know, late.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto California Street Northwest.
These cop cars almost crash into each other during a police chase.
And Bill Ruckles' house were looked like child's play. And the interesting thing is, listen not to the Democrats. Don't listen to the Democrats or the critics of them.
There is just no way this white car driver didn't see this coming. How do you crash your car into another car and into a lamppost? If it's raining, take your foot off the gas pedal and drive slow. This is all for today's video. If you like this, make sure to subscribe for more epic videos like this one. See you next time.